guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nina. If you're new here, please subscribe and join the family. Today I'm just going to be doing an unboxing video. Today I'm collaborating with a brand called Coeebags. If you've watched me before, you know I always work with them. They're my favorite to work with. I love them so much because I don't know, it's nice to like grow a relationship with a brand and like to keep working with the same people. It's hassle-free, stress-free, it's just easy. I am just sat on my sofa. It is a leather sofa, so if you can hear it like squeaking, I'm sorry. It's just a leather sofa. What can you do in it? What can you do? But yeah, thank you to Coeebags for working with me again. I love working with you guys, and I love the pieces. I'm so happy with what I picked because they're gorgeous and I can't wait to wear them. I have two things to show you guys. I am just wearing a tracksuit today because it's like started raining. I just wanted to be comfortable today. So I'm just in this little blue man tracksuit. It just says man all over it, but I think it's cute. I think it's a vibe. But yeah, I've had to use my ring light today because it's such a dull day. I keep saying this, but I just feel like it's winter now. So the sun is gone and it's not returning. And I still need a holiday. Someone please come on holiday with me somewhere in the sun. I'm sun deprived. Vitamin D deprived. Let's just get on to the video. So I did pick one main thing, which is in this box, but they also kindly let me pick something else, and I picked this little Van Cleef again. If you saw my last video, I also had something from this, but from a different brand. So you get the little bag in this one as well, which I love this packaging, and I love this green colour. As you can tell, I love green. I'm wearing green today. And it also comes with this gorgeous little card, little certificate, which I love all the little extra bits you get. It's so cute. I just love packaging. And then it comes like this. So it comes in like a little sleeve. And then this is the gorgeous box. So it's like this. And I love this packaging. I love this green and this soft material. So if you haven't watched my last video, I picked a silver necklace and a silver bracelet. So this time, wow, I went for the white clover, like the white pearl clover. It's like a white pearl clover and a gold chain, gold necklace, and she's absolutely stunning. Please take a moment. She is gorgeous, and I love the box and the packaging. This is it from like the side if you want to know like the width. But she's gorgeous. So I'm just gonna take it out. I was meant to do this video like a while ago, but it accidentally got delivered to my last address, and the man in my last address like had this parcel for ages, and I went on holiday and I couldn't get the parcel, and I was so upset. I was like, what is a man gonna do with the necklace? Like, you know what I mean? But I finally got it back and I'm obsessed because she is gorgeous, and I want to put her on right now because I can't help myself and I can't wait any longer. I went for the white clover. She's like pearl iridescent. Like I said in my last video, I like to switch out between gold and silver, just depending on like what I'm wearing. I just want to put this on because it's so cute. Please. She's so cute. And this is like the same. It's got like the little clasp and the little detailing there. It does have a smaller loop and then a longer loop if you want it like more shorter or longer. The noise off this couch is annoying me, but I'm just gonna quickly put this on. So this is her. If you can see her. Ooh, she's so cute. But yeah, I love gold and silver. I just depends what I'm wearing, what bag I'm wearing, what the style is, what the outfit is. You know, girl stuff. But that's why I went for the gold this time, because I love the gold. And now I have like a gold and a silver, so I can switch it up. But yeah, that was the first piece. So thank you Coeebags for this piece because she is stunning. But let's get on to the main piece. So in this box here, if you can see, it's a pair of Rick-Owens. I got a pair of Rick-Owens. Okay, some Rick-Owens, babes. So I picked these because it's coming up to winter fashion, and I saw these and I was like, yes, please, straight in my basket. And I can't wait to wear these, honestly. Oh, the sound of this sofa is so annoying. But yeah, I picked a pair of Rick-Owens because I haven't done this brand yet before, and I've always wanted a pair. So I'm going to show you what they look like if I can open this box. But yeah, it comes in this beautiful like grey box, and it's just like very minimalistic. It literally just says Rick-Owens in like the tiniest little font. I had to make more space on my camera because I need to get a new SD card. Actually, I was looking at cameras today in this shop window, so potentially may get a new camera. But yeah, so it just comes like this. Open it up. Open it up. Can you see what I got? Do you know what I got? So everything's like very well packaged. So each shoe comes well wrapped. I just love how everything's well wrapped and protected, especially like in shipping. But yeah, so that was the box. Also in the box you get this little sleeve. It just says Rick-Owens there. And Rick-Owens. And then I'm going to show you the boots. If you haven't seen these, I feel like you either get them or you don't. Like, they're either your style or they're not. But I'm obsessed with them. I think they're so cute. But yeah, I'm just going to take them out the wrapping. Okay, so they're like thigh-high black boots. Are they thigh-high? Knee-high? Thigh-high? Like over the knee boots. So they have like this chunky platform on the bottom. It's kind of like an off-white. It's not necessarily white. It's like an off-white. And then they have the chunky toe piece here. And then like this really soft leather. And there's no zip. You just kind of like slip it on your leg. But the inside is like lined. So hopefully it doesn't like slip down your leg, if that makes sense. But these are the boots. I just went for the black ones and I'm obsessed. The bottom looks like this. And it says Rick-Owens. They're very like simple, but bang an outfit on, yeah, and they slap. They're so sexy on, you know what I mean? But the right outfit, or if you're going on like a city break and you don't want to wear like heels but you still want to like dress up, this is like my vibe. Especially like I'm a tall girl, I'm like 5'8", so sometimes I'm not in the mood to wear heels and boots all the time. So these are like a dressier option but flats, so they're a bit more comfortable. But yeah, I sized up and got a 6. You probably don't need to because they're a little bit big on me, but I'll just have to wear chunkier socks. But I probably would anyway in the colder months. But I just think this with like a little short dress or like skirt, like a cute 2-piece. I'm literally obsessed. I don't even know what else to say, but I'm obsessed and I've got a pair of Rick-Owens. I feel like they're either your style or they're not. I showed my dad and he was like, what are they? I feel like they're kind of like Converse. I feel like that's kind of controversial to say. It's like because you're comparing them to Converse, but these are a lot more expensive than Converse. But this is just the vibe in it. And I feel like leather is always in the winter and the autumn months. So I can't wait to style that with a cute dress, cute little mini bag. You know, if you went on like a city break, I'm definitely bringing them because I'm obsessed. I do have a discount code. It's just Nina, so I'll leave it on the screen so you can have money off your order. And they do have like the shorter ones. I was debating on getting the shorter ones for the winter. Yeah, the thigh high, I think they're just so sexy. Like on my legs, they just look sexy. So that's why I went with them, because I just think they're sexy. And I do have like loads of shorter black boots and like thigh high and knee high, like high heel boots. And I just thought these were very practical. And I've seen a few people wear them and I just think they're just so cute and I love them. And they did come quite quick, just unfortunately my package got sent to my last address. So it took me a little while longer to actually get them. But they did come quite quick. They always do take about a week or two, I suppose, depending on where you are. I live in the UK, so they were quite quick for me. I will also leave down below their WhatsApp, their Instagram, their website. They sell loads of different things. Like, if you've seen my previous videos with them, I've done bags, shoes, I've done like pretty much everything. So I will link down my old videos if you want to see what else I've got from there. But I do trust them 100%. They're a really trustworthy brand, and they always get back to me ASAP when I have any questions or queries or messages. I usually just message them on WhatsApp because that's just easier and handier for me. Thank you so much to Coeebags for these, because I'm obsessed and I can't wait to rock them out. Yeah. So if you want to see me wear them and style them, you're probably better off following me on Instagram. And my Instagram is @NinaMayWilliams. I want to try and post more on there, so message me there, send me questions there. It's probably a lot easier. I hope you enjoy my review videos, because I love to film them and I love to pick out different things and like expand my style and try different new things. I'm absolutely obsessed with these boots, and I just love the little detailing, because they're not very like brand in your face. Like, if you were to see someone wearing these, yeah, it's not too much. I feel like they're either your vibe or they're not. Like, you either get it or you don't. Like, because I've shown a few of my friends and they're like, like, they look at it and go, yeah, I wouldn't wear that, but I get it for you, Nina. Like, you know what I mean? Because, I mean, they don't really look like much not on, but I will try and insert a photo of them on. Or if you'd like to see me do a styling video, I can do styling videos of what you maybe would wear with them. If you would be interested in them type of videos, let me know. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this little necklace. She's so cute. I mean, it'd look better obviously without the hoodie, like a bit more dainty and cute, but I'm just keeping warm, even though it's quite hot in here because I've got my ring light on. But yeah, if you want to see me wear these, probably just head over to my Instagram. It's probably just the easiest place. But I'm absolutely obsessed. I just think they're so cute. I feel like, yeah, either get them or you don't, but I feel like that's a lot of things I probably show. Like, you're probably into it or you're not. But like, I could just picture me being in like Paris with a cute little dress, or like a mini skirt, or like a two-piece. I don't know. But yeah, my styling thoughts just start to spiral. But maybe I should go on a little city break. I'd love to just travel on my own. Yeah, I don't know if this is anyone else. Like, I'd love to travel on my own, but I just don't think I could do it on my own. I think I'd just get bored. Even though people say they love it and you make friends like while you're traveling that, I don't trust people. So, but yeah, I'd love to travel on my own. Or if my besties like didn't have work and stuff, it'd be so much easier to travel if I didn't have to work. But I gotta work to travel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love the feedback from you guys, and thank you so much for supporting me. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.